If you lack of a space, but you're still in the need of a love seat, this mini love seat from Yaheetech that they sent to me for this video could be one of the good ones for your living room, your office, your home office, or just your bedroom if you want, just to have like a really nice decoration and a space to sit, or like the entrance of the house just to sit and put your shoes in it or something like that. That could be kind of like really good. This one, as you can see, is for two people, no more than that, but weight-wise, this one supports 600 pounds. So that's actually quite a lot of weight just judging by the size. And size-wise, this one is actually, let's take a closer look. So as I was telling you before, right here on the top part, it's about like 35 inches. And on the bottom part, like wide-wise, it's about 39 inches. It comes with some kind of a wooden accent legs that is going to kind of like give you a modern style. And this one, I have to say that it's more firm than cushion. You know, that is meant to be for supporting those 600 pounds in this really nice kind of like corduroy fabric that it feels really nice. It is also really soft, but it has some cushion right here on the back. So when you're sitting, and if you're sitting with someone, just like, for example, watching TV or just having a conversation or something like that, you will see that it's just for like two. But again, if you lack of a space and you're in the need of something that may fit that place that you're looking for, a place to sit, a place to kind of like tie your shoes, a place to read, or just like having a nice decoration in the corner with putting some flowers or something on the sides, this one could be a nice one. It's comfortable, super easy to assemble, like about 15-20 minutes, no more than that, and it supports 600 pounds. Looks good, fits good, and of course, it may be a good decoration for your house.